Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create an infographic on pictochart.com. So to be able to use this website, you have to create an account, but it's free, so there's really nothing to worry about with that. It's quick and simple. You just put your email in, create a password, and then you can use the website whenever you want. So you're going to go to the infographic little section on the left, and this will give you a bunch of choices. You can choose a blank template to completely create your own, or they have templates you can use. I'll show you how to use this one, Dark 2. So you click Use Template, and then you can just edit the boxes to whatever you want. So say we're talking about World War II, you can just go to the end, delete all the letters that are in there, and put your own in there. It's pretty simple. You can change colors and stuff if you want, text and the font, whatever you need to do. You can make it your own. This just kind of gives you something to go off of. There's even graphs that you can make. Those are pretty cool. You can put images in, icons, really whatever you need to do, they have, and it'll help you do it. So that's it. It's easy, guys. Thank you.